Okay? They're found in and produced by living organisms. The feature that distinguishes them from inorganic compounds is the fact that they have carbon-hydrogen bonds.
Okay, so what is an amino acid made up of? A carboxyl group, an amino group, hydrogen, and a variable side chain, which changes. And this determines the physical and chemical properties of an amino acid. But the most important thing that distinguishes an amino acid is the carboxyl group SARA and lemma, the amino group. So there are functions of proteins. The first is it helps in speeding up chemical reactions, which is it acts like a catalyst, and an example is an enzyme. And there's the transport of substances, which is the hemoglobin, and there's the structural support of cells, which is the collagen, and the communication within cells, which is the insulin.
So I'm going to be talking about carbohydrates. So as the name suggests, they are hydrates of carbon, and they contain the elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They are the major source of energy for living cells, and they have different groups. So the first simplest group is called a monosaccharide.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about lipids. They're large non-polar biological molecule, and they're insoluble in water. Now, they have fatty acids, and fatty acids have heads with non-polar hydrocarbon and tails with polar carboxyl acid functional group. Now, fatty acids have they are saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids.
Now this activity, there are 4 papers, and each group, so your group 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the board is divided into 3 boards: proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. So one person at a time from each group, just you choose a paper randomly, and then you have to go stick it in a, like, where it's related to, like.